Energetica is at the REI Connect, bringing you the latest updates from the industry. So we are today joined by Rajat Srivastava, General Manager, Icon Solar. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Sir, could you tell us, share what are the new products or launches that you are introducing this year in this event?
So this year, REI 2025, we had launched our G12R series, which is 625 watt peak. So it is available over here. We have the 132 cells in this, and having efficiency more than 23.5. So it's a good product and a demanded product in Indian market right now.
So a lot of discussion going on self-reliance and localization. So are your company taking any initiatives towards a backward integration in your supply chain manufacturing process?
Yeah, not only backward, forward also. So right now we are manufacturing solar panels. We have a backsheet and EVA plant with us. We also have plan to have our solar cell manufacturing in 2026 by 2.2 gigawatt coming in Orissa. So this one, and we are also coming up with the aluminum framing by next year. So that is also in our kitty. These 3 to 4 things. Apart from that, we are also looking ahead to the expansion of our modules.
Okay, so in terms of expansion plans, what are your focus priority areas in the near future?
See, every year or every 2 years we find a new technology which comes in the market. Our machines are ready for that. Right now we'll make TOPCon, and in near future we'll start with HJT also. Since from 2026 the market is for DCR, that's why we are manufacturing TOPCon DCR cells. And apart from that, we are continuously developing and doing R&Ds on how a panel can work efficiently, from a project. So that way we are standardizing, and we are also doing a research on how we can upgrade the product. Yes.
Okay, so lastly, why do you think more companies and other industries should adopt renewable energy? What would be your message for them to adopt to come into greener energy?
See, in India, we rely on conventional, energy sources, and because lot of coals, hydro projects, and other source of power are still in the demand. But apart from that, we have to move towards net zero. So our company, not only the solar, wind, and other renewable companies are moving ahead with the more production in India, and with that we'll reach that 2030 goal, and we are sure by 2070 goal, which is net zero, we'll achieve it. So my message is, if you are having a home, install a rooftop in your home. If you are a CNI, install solar or any product for your commercial and industries, or you can buy it from the company who are manufacturing it. If you want to make your energy, then go with the utility scale. Make your energy, sell it to the companies who are in demand, who need that particular energy. So that's what.
Thank you, sir. That's a beautiful message, and we would like to wish you more success in the future and new launches. We will be expecting to see more launches in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thanks.
so much
Thanks.
for that.